At Narita International Airport, the decorations of the Tokyo 2020 Olympic and Paralympic Games began on April 14, 2021. Because of the Olympics, various numbers of athletes and participants will have arrived at Narita International Airport. The decorations here using the official design Tokyo 2020 Games look by the Games Organizing Committee have appeared in the general and restricted areas of the first passenger terminal building and the second passenger terminal building. Based on the colorful white and red images of the Hinomaru, characters such as Tokyo 2020 are drawn in gold. Also, the mascot of Olympic and Paralympics video were seen playing a number of times. There aren't many people at the departure area because of the pandemic. The Olympic mascot video can be seen playing a number of times just beside the departure gate. The name Mirai Tower is based on the Japanese words Mirai meaning future and Towa meaning eternity, representing the ways that the Tokyo 2020 Olympic Games will lead to the future of everlasting hope in the hearts of everyone around the world. The decorations of the Terminal 2 is a little different from Terminal 1 like this. There's a lot of Olympic participants in here too. By the way, this airport has been renewed and is much more fashionable than before. Many of the flights arriving during this period were cancelled due to the influence of corona, but the number of flights had increased recently. Now, this area is only available for the Olympic participants for the prevention of the spread of the virus. Decorations of Arrival B area is different from Arrival A area. Do you know what it is? The answer is the fold paper cranes that are called Peace Orisuru. For the Olympics, a festival of peace, Peace Orisuru is an activity to realize and expand a welfare of wars and conflicts through the creations of fold paper cranes with the symbols of peace. This area has been renewed and decorated in Tokyo 2020 theme too. Near counter check-in of Japan Airlines, there is the plane model that transports Tokyo 2020 Olympic torch relay from Athens, Greece to Miyagi Prefecture, Japan, with concept Hope Lies Our Way. There is the torch model too. The torch that is used in the Olympics is designed with a cherry blossoms motif.